Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Learn with Your Buddy, and today I'm here with another video of our discrete math series where we will do practice on propositions and a lot of things. Today we'll try to cover to where we can, and then we will keep the other for our next video. So yeah, at first here we can see that we will have to find the negation of these propositions. Now 10 is an even number, so 10 is not an even number. That means we are doing the negative. Okay, so 5 plus 10. Okay, here is the negative of this. There is no traffic city, so there is traffic city, so we are doing the opposite thing. So, and winter in Canada is cold and snowy, and the negation of this is winter in Canada is not cold or not so snowy. And also we have winter in Canada is either not cold or not snowy, and all students passed the exam. That will go at least one student did not pass the exam. So that was our practice for negation of propositions. Here we have, for each of these sentences, determine whether an exclusive or and or is intended. So at first we have coffee or tea. It is exclusive or, that means you will get either coffee or tea, not both. Remember the sign of P or Q. And yeah, after that we have experience with C++ or Java is required. That is inclusive or. Okay, remember the sign. It means having experience in one or both is acceptable. Okay, please remember the sign. And always remember the exclusive means any of them and inclusive means both. Okay, so lunch includes soup or salad, so it's exclusive or, that means you can choose one if either soup or salad. Now you can pay using US dollars or euro, that is inclusive or, that means you may use either currency and possibly both. Okay, so yeah, that was our for each exclusive or and or, inclusive or. After that we have conditional statements. Now let's know what is it. Now, if P is Q, P drives to Q is false only when P is true and Q is false. In other cases it is true. Now let's create this with our truth table. So here, if P and Q both are true, it will be true. If Q is false, it will be false. If Q is true, it will be true. If both are false, it will be true. Okay, always remember that. If any of them is true or false, we will always give the priority to Q. And if both are same, both are true or both are false, then it will be true. Alright, always remember this. So now let's start the practice. Now if 1 and 1 is 2, now here 1 and 1 equals to 2 is true, but 2 plus 2 5 is false. So if true false, it will be false, so the answer will be false. Now look, if 1 plus 1 is 3, it's false. Okay, but 2 plus 2 is 4, that is true. So false true equals to true, so it will be true. Now if 1 plus 1 is 3, that is false. And also if both are same, it will be true. Okay, so if 1 plus 1 is 2, that's true, but dogs can fly, it's false. So true false, it will be false in the answer. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that was all for today, and if you guys find my videos useful, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and we will do more practice in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.